welcome back to my channel. My name is Barbara Delmonica, aka Curl Vitality, and this is video 6 of 6 on our July 2023 focus on how to keep your curls and waves healthy when going in the pool, the ocean, or anything like that this summer. We've talked about how to prep your curls beforehand. We've talked about what to do immediately after the pool. We've talked about how to wash, condition, and style your curls post-pool on vacation. And now we are going to talk about how to refresh them. This is the NatureLab Tokyo Perfect Clean Style Refresher Spray. You are probably very familiar with NatureLab Tokyo at this point because they have been in a lot of Curls Monthlies. People love them, which is why they keep coming back. So I'm so excited about this product, especially if you are a girly who has greasy hair, because this is going to be your lifesaver. Now, yes, you're not necessarily going to be refreshing your curls post-pool, thing like that. You do want to wash them, aka watch the other videos. But why I wanted to include this product in this month's Curls Monthly is because it is perfect for cleaning sweat off of your hair without cleaning your hair. So it's going to be great when you're on the beach. It's going to be great when you're working out in the sun, going on walks. Anytime you get sweaty around here and you feel kind of gross, this is going to be your saving grace instead of fully drenching your hair, soaking it, washing it, etc., etc. So this is a post-workout sweat solution or your mid-summer day solution. It quickly cleans sweaty strands, absorbs excess oils. It also has rice extract, which is a natural deodorizer, and NatureLab Tokyo as a whole is known for its products that just smell like heaven. And then its arrowroot extract actually absorbs oiliness. It's going to be perfect for wavy hair, damaged hair. And some ingredients. First up, we have alcohol denat, which is technically a non-curly girl approved alcohol. I have done a video, which I will link below, about why it's not, like why some alcohols are not curly girl approved. I don't so much believe in that era of things, but the reason why alcohol denat is specifically not curly girl approved is why this product is so great for some people. So alcohols in general usually pull in moisture from the air around it. They're not moisturizing themselves, but they help moisturize the hair. But there's a select few alcohols that actually dry your hair out, which is perfect if you are sweaty and you're trying to dry your hair. It's also perfect if you're oily and trying to dry your hair. So this product is actually so spectacular for a specific reason. We got our rice extract, which is great for deodorizing. We have rosemary extract, which is great for growth. Citric acid, which will help neutralize your hair and balance the pH levels. This is such a good product, y'all. So to use this product, it's actually formulated a little bit differently. So you can see it's kind of clear, and at the bottom there's this milky substance. These are actually little balls. They call them activation balls, and they must be activated before using. So to activate it, you just gently shake the bottle until it all turns white, like so. And that is the activation balls at work. When it's all white in color, you are just going to then divide your hair up so this can properly get to all the areas. So I would just divide it up and pin sections away. Then you're going to spray it wherever it is oily, greasy, or sweaty. So probably a lot around the neck, around the hairline. You're going to spray it and let it sit for about 30 seconds before you touch it. And then you're going to use your hands to massage it into that area of your hair. So you're kind of just cleaning that area. You can then have the option of finger detangling it and bringing that down. I know with curls, it's not always possible, but you can do that if you want. So this is going to just drastically refresh your curls midday. It's going to take that sweat away. It's going to make you fresh, smell good, clean. I don't want to see another comment about not wanting to wash their hair every day because they're sweaty, because here's number 25 solution I am giving you. Let me know below if you've used this product and if you found it successful. And I hope that you enjoyed this whole pool time summer series. It's been such a joy to make it, and I really hope that it's just helpful for you for the rest of the summer. And I'll see you next time.